Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 habits that every woman should start today to be healthier and feel better. These habits are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can help you achieve optimal physical and mental health. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first habit is dry brushing. Dry brushing is a daily body massage with a dry, stiff-bristled brush that can offer many benefits, including exfoliating rough, dry skin, detoxifying the skin, stimulating the nervous system, and giving your skin a more radiant glow. It's gentler on your skin than scrubbing in the shower because brushing your skin while it is dry allows you to exfoliate and increase blood circulation without robbing it of moisture the way the hot water in your shower can. To dry brush, you'll want to use a natural stiff-bristled bath or shower brush, preferably one with a long handle, and start from the feet or ankles, and work your way upward in long, fluid strokes on limbs. Move the brush in a circular motion on your torso and back, but lighten up the pressure as needed for sensitive areas like the abdomen, breasts, and neck. Avoid using a dry brush on your face since the skin is more sensitive than on the rest of your body. If you have sensitive skin, you can use a plain dry washcloth instead of a dry brush. And never dry brush over moles, warts, or raised bumps among many other things. If you notice redness, swelling, or inflammation while brushing, stop right away. It's also important to avoid using a dry brush on skin that's broken, including cuts, scrapes, lesions, sores, or burned skin, including sunburns. Our second habit is aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a complementary therapy that uses essential oils and other plant-based materials to promote physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Essential oils are concentrated extracts derived from the leaves, flowers, roots, and other parts of plants, and they have been used for thousands of years for their therapeutic properties. When it comes to stress relief, aromatherapy can be particularly helpful because certain essential oils have been found to have calming and relaxing effects on the body and mind. For example, lavender essential oil has been shown to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation, while peppermint essential oil can help alleviate tension headaches and improve mental focus. Other essential oils that can be useful for stress relief include bergamot. Known for its calming and uplifting properties, bergamot essential oil can help reduce anxiety and improve mood. Chamomile. Often used in tea to promote relaxation in sleep, chamomile essential oil can also be used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety. Ylang ylang. With a sweet floral scent, ylang ylang essential oil can help calm the mind and reduce feelings of tension and stress. To use aromatherapy for stress relief, you can add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to a diffuser or oil burner and inhale the scent. Or you can mix the oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to your skin during a relaxing massage. You can also add a few drops of essential oil to your bathwater for a soothing soak. Our third habit is using a menstrual cup. A menstrual cup is a small, flexible, bell-shaped device made of silicone, latex, or rubber that is inserted into the vagina to collect menstrual fluid. The cup can be worn for up to 12 hours before needing to be emptied and cleaned. One of the main benefits of using a menstrual cup is that it reduces exposure to harmful chemicals. Traditional tampons and pads are often made with synthetic materials such as rayon, polyester, and non-organic cotton, which can contain chemicals such as dioxins, pesticide residues, and fragrances. These chemicals can potentially disrupt the body's hormonal balance and have negative impacts on reproductive health. Menstrual cups, on the other hand, are usually made of medical-grade silicone, which is hypoallergenic and does not contain any harmful chemicals. Another benefit of using a menstrual cup is that it promotes a more sustainable menstrual cycle. Traditional tampons and pads are disposable, meaning they end up in landfills and contribute to environmental pollution. Menstrual cups, however, are reusable and can last for several years with proper care. This not only reduces waste, but can also save money in the long run, as there is no need to continuously purchase disposable menstrual products. It's worth noting that using a menstrual cup may take some getting used to, and can require a bit of practice to insert and remove properly. However, many people who have made the switch find it to be a comfortable and convenient option for managing their menstrual cycle. Our fourth habit is going to a gynecologist. Getting a wellness visit at your gynecologist is an important aspect of maintaining your overall health as a woman. During a wellness visit, your gynecologist will typically conduct a pelvic exam, a breast exam, and a pap smear if necessary. These exams can help detect potential health issues early on, which can improve your chances of successful treatment and recovery. In addition to the physical exams, your gynecologist can also provide important information about contraception, sexually transmitted infections, and other women's health concerns. It's recommended that women start seeing a gynecologist annually around the age of 21, or when they become sexually active, whichever comes first. However, if you experience any unusual symptoms or changes in your menstrual cycle, don't hesitate to make an appointment with your gynecologist sooner. Our fifth and final habit is getting enough sleep. As a busy woman, it can be tempting to sacrifice sleep to get more done, but sleep is essential for good health. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including weight gain, depression, and increased risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Experts recommend that adults get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. To improve your sleep habits, try to establish a consistent bedtime routine. Avoid electronics before bed, and create a comfortable sleeping environment that is cool, dark, and quiet. Getting enough high-quality sleep is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance, as well as for overall physical and mental health. Lack of sleep or poor sleep quality can lead to increased stress, mood changes, weight gain, and a weakened immune system. It's important for women to prioritize getting enough sleep and taking steps to improve their sleep quality, such as establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and avoiding caffeine and electronics before bed. Matthew Walker's book, Why We Sleep, provides a wealth of information on the importance of sleep for both men and women, and is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their sleep habits. So there you have it, 5 easy habits that every woman can start today to be healthier and feel better. From dry brushing and aromatherapy to using a menstrual cup and getting enough sleep, these habits can help you take care of your physical and mental health. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's necessary for living your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.